How's everyone doing? Dan here with MarineMax and Nisswa. We're out in our detail shop where we just unwrapped this brand new 2026 Barletta. This is a Lusso 23UC. Let's take a peek. The 23UC is 23 feet long with a little bit of extra, because on the Lusso you get these 3 feet, or this extra 3 feet in the back here for when you're jumping on and off the boat. This has a lily pad ladder, so very easy to get in and out of the water. This one's powered by a 250 V8 Mercury. Barletta is known for the VIP technology, so there's no vibration, no metal touching metal, so a very quiet and smooth ride when you're out on the water. Coming aboard the rear, we got the UC layout, so this is kind of like your rear lounge. Can be configured in multiple different ways, depending how you're spending your time on the water. The Lusso is known for its luxury seat stitching. Comes standard with the power canopy, co-captain, captain layout, and this is the all-new dash for the Lusso, showcasing 2 Simrad touchscreens. Digital shift throttle, so very smooth driving out on the water. You got your pop-up table here. Coming up to the front, we got our lounging seats with the flip-down armrests, JBL audio, RGB. Anchor storage in the front and a 7-foot storage locker here in the center of the boat. Space for your garbage can out of the way. Dog dish in the floor, and can't forget the doggy view. See-through front door for your furry friends, or it's just very convenient when you're coming into park. You have visibility through that door to see the dock. Appreciate you guys following along. We have this boat here in Nisswa. We have a couple here in stock. Come on by, it'd be good to meet you guys and see what the hype's about.